Find curved surface area, total surface area and volume of the cube if edge of the cube is 3 centimeters. CSA of cube formula is 4a square. 4 as it is into a is nothing but edge of the cube, right? Edge of the cube here it is given as 3 centimeters. So substitute that 3 in the place of a. Square as it is equals to 4 into 3 square. 3 3s are 9. 4 9s are 36. We are finding curved surface area and the units given in the question is 3 centimeter. So here we need to write centimeter square. So curved surface area of the cube is 36 centimeter square. Next, let us find out TSA. What is the formula for TSA of a cube? TSA of a cube equals to 6a square. That is equals to 6 into a. Edge of the cube is given as 3. Square as it is, which is equals to 6 times 3 square. 3 3s are 9. 9 times 6. 9 6 are 54. Units are given as centimeter and we are finding area. So this will be centimeter square. Next, let us find volume of the cube. Volume of the cube formula is a cube and a is nothing but edge of the cube. So edge is given as 3. So 3 power 3. So 3 power 3 is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27. In the question the units given are centimeter and we are finding volume. So this will be centimeter cube. So curved surface area of the cube we got as 36 centimeter square. Total surface area we got it as 54 centimeter square. Volume we got it as 27 centimeter cube. Moving to the question number 2. If curved surface area of the cube is 100 centimeter square, then find the edge of the cube. In the previous question, in the question itself, edge is given and we did a curved surface area or a total surface area or volume. But in this, he is asking it in reverse again. So, in this question, curved surface area is given. Then we need to find out the cube edge. That is a value we need to find out. So, we know the formula. Curved surface area of a cube is equals to 4a square. Curved surface area of cube is given as 100. So, substitute that 100 equals to 4a square. A value is unknown here. So, write that a as it is. Now, we need to find out the a value. So, take this 4 to the left side. Here, right side it is multiplication. If we take another side, it will become division. 100 divided by 4 equals to a square. 100 by 4 how much? It is 25. So, a square equals to 25. A square is 25. Then what will be a value? I mean, which number square is 25? It may be plus 5 or else minus 5. But we are worrying here about the measurement of a particular thing. So that's why we won't go with the negatives. We will go only with the positive number. So 5. Edge of the cube is 5. And don't forget the units. In the question, he gave it as centimeter square. So then edge will become centimeter. Next question. If TSA of a cube is 54 centimeter square, then find its edge. Now in this case, he gave total surface area of the cube and we need to find out the edge of the cube. So what is the formula for total surface area of a cube? Total surface area of a cube is 6a square. Total surface area is given as 54. So under TSA, write 54 equals to 6. A square, A is unknown here. That is edge of the cube. We need to find out. So as it is. We need to find out a value. So take 6 to the right side. Here it is multiplication. If we take another side, it will become division. 54 divided by 6 is equals to a square. A square equals to, what is the value of 54 by 6? 9. That is nothing but 6 table where 54 will come. That is 9. So a square is 9, then what will be a value? Which number square is 9? It is plus or minus 3. But here we are finding the edge, nothing but measurement. So measurement cannot be negative. So we will go with the positive. So edge of the cube is 3 centimeters. Next question is, if volume of the cube is 27 centimeter cube, then find its edge. So here he is speaking about volume of a cube, right? So volume of cube formula is a cube. What is the volume of cube is given as 27, right? So under volume of the cube, substitute 27 equals to a cube. Which number cube is 27? It is 3. So a value is 3. In the question he gives centimeter cube, that is related to volume, but here we are finding side or edge, so it will be centimeters. So edge of the cube is 3 centimeter. Moving to the question number 5. If length, breadth and height of a cuboid are 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 2 centimeter respectively, find its curved surface area, total surface area and volume. So the meaning of respectively means first alphabet represents the first number, second alphabet represents the second number and third alphabet is for the third number. That is the meaning of respectively. So length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter, height is 2 centimeter. Now let us find out the curved surface area first. What is the formula for curved surface area of a cuboid? That is 2h into L plus B, which is equals to 2 into h, height is given as 2 centimeter, into L plus B, length is 5 centimeter plus breadth is 6 centimeter. 2 2s are 4 into 5 plus 6, 11. 11 4s are 44. In the question the units are centimeter and we are finding area, so this will be centimeter square. Now let us move to find out the total surface area of the cuboid. What is the formula for total surface area of a cuboid? That is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL equals to 2 into, what is the length given? Length is 5 centimeters into breadth 6 centimeter plus breadth 6 centimeter into height 2 centimeter plus height 2 centimeter into length 5 centimeter. That is equals to 2 times 5 6 are 30 plus 6 2s are 12 plus 2 5s are 10 equals to 2 times 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 12, 52. So 2 into 52, it is 104. In the question the units are centimeters and we are finding area, so this will be centimeter square. Moving to the next question. If curved surface area of a cuboid is 48 centimeter square and height is given as 4 centimeter, breadth is given as 1 centimeter, then find L, nothing but length of the cuboid. So what is the formula for CSA of cuboid? That is 2h into L plus B. So CSA is given as 48. So under CSA keep 48 is equals to 2 into height 4 centimeter into length unknown. We need to find out the L value only, right? So L keep it as it is plus B breadth 1. So that will be 48 equals to 2 4s are 8 into L plus 1. Take this 8 this side, here it is multiplication. If you take another side, that will become division. 48 by 8 is equals to L plus 1. What is 48 by 8? Nothing but in 8 table where 48 will come 6. So 6 is equals to L plus 1. Take plus 1 to the left side. So plus 1 will become minus 1. 6 minus 1 is equals to length. 6 minus 1 is 5. So length of the cuboid is 5 centimeters. Next question. If TSA of a cuboid is 82 centimeter square. Length is given as 7 centimeter. Breadth is given as 2 centimeter. Then find height. What is the formula for TSA of a cuboid? TSA of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Under TSA, write the given number 82 equals to 2 times length 7 into breadth 2 plus breadth 2 into height don't know, so h as it is, plus h unknown, so as it is, into length 7. So 82 equals to 2 times 7 2s are 14 plus 2 into h 2h plus h into 7 h7 or 7h. 82 equals to 2 times 14 plus. What is the value of 2h plus 7h? 7 plus 2, 9. So 9h. Take this to this side. Here it is multiplication. If you take another side, it will become division. 82 divided by 2 is equals to 14 plus 9h. 82 by 2, 41 equals to 14 plus 9h. Now take this plus 14 to the left side, then it will become minus 14. 41 minus 14 is equals to 9h. What is the value of 41 minus 14? 27 is equals to 9h. 9h is nothing but 9 into h, right? So take this 9 to this side, then that multiplication will become division. 27 divided by 9 is equals to h. So h value will be 27 by 9, 3 centimeters. So height of the cuboid is 3 centimeter. Coming to the next question. If length is equals to 2 centimeter and breadth equals to 3 centimeter, then find height of the cuboid if volume is 24 centimeter cube. So volume of a cuboid formula is L into B into H or LBH simply. Length into breadth into height. Volume is given as 24. So under the volume 24 equals to L is 2 into B is 3 into height is not given, right? So write H as it is. 24 equals to 2 into 3, 6 into h as it is. Now we need to find out the h value. So take 6 this side, multiplication will become division. 24 divided by 6 is equals to height. So height of the cuboid will be 24 by 6 is 4 centimeters. Next question is find curved surface area, total surface area and volume of a cylinder if radius is 5 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. What is the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder? That is 2 pi RH. So that is equals to 2 as it is into pi value. In the question it is not mentioned particularly, so then we need to take it as 22 by 7 into radius 5 into height 7. This 7 will get cancelled, then we remains with 2 times 22 times 5. That will be equals to, here 5 2s are 10, 10 into 22, 220. In the question the units are centimeters and we are finding area, so this will become centimeter square. Coming to the total surface area. Total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. That is equals to 2 times pi value 22 by 7 into radius is given as 5 centimeter into radius is 5 centimeter plus height is 7 centimeter. That is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 into, in the bracket we have 5 plus 7, right? Add that 5 plus 7, 12. Here we can do nothing, cancellation is not possible. So this 2 I am writing it as 2 by 1 and 5 I am writing is 5 by 1, 12 I am writing as 12 by 1. Now this 2 is numerator, 22 is numerator, 5 is numerator, 12 is numerator. Multiply all those numerators. 2 into 22, 44 into 5, 220, 220 into 12, 2640 divided by, in the denominator we have 7, so write that 7. we are finding area and the units are given as centimeter, so this will become centimeter square. Next, volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. Pi value we will take it as 22/7 because they did not mention anything particularly, into radius. Radius is given as 5 centimeters, right? And here we have r square, right? So it means a 5 square, nothing but 5 into 5, into height is given as 7. This 7 will get cancelled. Then we remains with 22 times 5 times 5. 22 into 5, 110. 110 into 5, 550. This is volume, so it should be centimeter cube. Next, if curved surface area of a cylinder is given as 264 centimeter square, whose height is 3 centimeter, then find radius. Sorry. Curved surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Curved surface area is given as 264, that is equals to 2 into pi value 22/7 into radius not given, so r as it is, into height 3. Now what we will do is 1 by 1 from the right side we will take to the left side. 264 as it is. 2, if we take another side, it will become reciprocal 1 by 2. 22/7, if we take another side, it will become reciprocal. 22/7 reciprocal is 7 by 22. Into 3 also I am taking to the left side. The 3 will become 1 by 3 equals to R. Now let us check for any cancellation or simplification. 11 2s are 22. 11 24s are 264. 2 1s are 2 12s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 3 1s are 3 2s are. So radius is equals to 2 into 7. So radius of the cylinder is given as 14 centimeter. Next, question number 11. Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Then find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. We have a cube and one more cube. What he did is, two cubes volumes are given 64 centimeter cube. First cube volume is 64 centimeter cube, and second cube volume is also given as 64 centimeter cube only. Okay, now what we will do is, first for these cubes let us find out the edge first of all. What is the formula for volume of a cube? That is a cube. So volume is given as 64, right? So 64 is equals to a cube. Which number cube is 64? That is 4 cube. So edge of the cube is 4 centimeter. Both cubes are having same volume, so definitely edge is also same. Now what he did is, he is joining these two cubes side to side. This is 4 centimeter. Okay, observe this clearly. Length will become 4 centimeter, breadth will become 4 centimeter, height will become 4 centimeter. Because cube, all the edges are same. So length, breadth, height will be same. Next, second cube also we are joining. For this cube also, length, breadth, height all will be same, right? So this will be 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Now what he is doing is, he is joining these two, right? So then we will get a figure something like this. That's it. Two cubes are joining side by side. Now observe this clearly. Whenever if you are joining two cubes side by side, there is no difference in terms of height and breadth. There is only difference or change in the length of the figure. So only length will be different and breadth, height will be same. So this cube, this is from here to here it is 4, and remaining part from here to here it is 4. So total length will become 8. Length of the resulting figure is 8 centimeter. Then what about the breadth? It will be same as the cube only, 4 centimeter, and height is also 4 centimeter. Now he is asking us to find out the surface area of the resulting cuboid. And we will get a doubt whether we need to find out the curved surface area or its total surface area. Observe it clearly now. For this figure which we have after joining two cubes together, this left side part is visible, right side part is visible, up is visible, down visible, front visible and back visible. So all the 6 sides or 6 faces are visible to us. So we can say that we need to find out the total surface area. So TSA or total surface area of a cuboid formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL equals to 2 into L is length, 8 into breadth is 4 plus breadth is 4 into height is 4 plus height is 4 into length is 8 equals to 2 into 8 4s are 32 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 4 8s are 32. That is equals to 2 into 32 plus 32 64 64 plus 16 80. 2 times 80, that will be 160. In the question units are given as centimeter and we are finding area, so this will be centimeter square. Next question is, a cone of height 24 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter is made up of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. Then find the radius of the sphere. So what is happening here? One child has a cone with a clay and he pressed it completely and he is now trying to make it into another form called sphere. Then if he can able to like that, what will be the radius of the sphere? Let us check here clearly. Conical shape. He is trying convert to sphere. Always in the solids, if one sphere is, one shape is or one solid is changing to another solid, always the volume of those figures will be equal to each other. So it means volume of cone equals to volume of sphere. What is the formula for volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h is equals to volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, next. Let us check first of all what we can do simplification here or cancellation. In the denominator 3, in the denominator 3. Here pi cancel. So remains with r square h is equals to 4r cube. Now let us substitute here. So first radius of cone is 6 centimeter. So 6 square into height of the cone is 24 centimeter. So 24 is equals to 4 times r cube. We need to find out r cube value. So take the 4 to another side. 6 square I am writing as simply 6 into 6 into 24 as it is divided by 4 equals to r cube. Here we can do cancellation further. 4 ones are 4 6 are. So we will get 6 into 6 into 6 is equals to r cube. R cube is nothing but r is 3 times. 6 into 6 into 6 is also 3 times. Then r value is going to be 6 centimeters. Coming to the next question. Metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Then find the radius of the resulting sphere. We have completed 3 spheres. First sphere with 6 centimeter radius and second centimeter with 8 centimeter radius and the third third sphere with 10 centimeter radius. What he is doing is he is combining all those spheres and he is melting and then he is forming into a bigger sphere like this something. Then we need to find out the radius of this sphere. So just now only I said one shape is forming to another shape means obviously the volumes will be equal, right? But in this case 3 spheres are forming. So 3 spheres volume is equals to bigger sphere volume. Volume of sphere 1 plus sphere 2 plus sphere 3 is equals to volume of resulting sphere, that is capital R. Okay, volume of the sphere. What is the formula for volume of the sphere, Nana? 4 by 3 pi r cube plus second sphere rate again. So 4 by 3 pi r cube plus third sphere rate. So that will be 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to resulting sphere rate. So as usual 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now a problem is there again. 4 by 3 pi r cube means first sphere radius, second sphere radius, third sphere radius. Are they all same? Obviously they are different, because in the question itself he clearly mentioned that radius are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So that is the reason what we will do here is, instead of writing r cube, we will go with r1 cube, r2 cube, r3 cube, and the resulting one I will go with capital R. Now if you observe, in all the terms 4 by 3 pi is common. So 4 by 3 pi. Then we will get it as r1 cube plus r2 cube, plus r3 cube is equals to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. So it will be left side 4 by 3, right side 4 by 3 cancel, left side pi, right side pi cancel. Then we remains with r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equals to capital R cube. So now what are the radius he gave then? That is 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter, right? So that is going to be 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube is equals to capital R cube. 6 cube 216 plus 8 cube 512 plus 10 cube 1000 is equals to R cube. 216 plus 512 is 728. So it will be 1728 is equals to R cube. So it means which number cube is 1728? That is 12. So capital R is equals to 12 centimeter. Next question is, volume and surface area of a hemisphere are numerically equal. Then what is the diameter of hemisphere? Volume of a hemisphere, right? Volume of a hemisphere is equals to surface area of hemisphere. So volume of a hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube equals to surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. In the question, if they did not mention like total surface area or curved surface area, always we will go with the total surface area only. So volume of the hemisphere is equals to the surface area of the hemisphere. Then let us do cancellation. What will happen? Left side pi, right side pi cancel. Then we remains with 2 by 3 r cube, that is equals to 3r square. 2 by 3 r cube is nothing but r into r equals to 3. R square is nothing but r into r. Now left side r, right side r will get cancelled. Then we remains with 2 by 3 into r is equals to 3. Now taking this total 2 by 3 to the right side, so we will get radius is equals to 3 into 2 by 3. If we take another side, it will become reciprocal, so it will be 3 by 2. So r is equals to 3 3s are 9 by 2. Then in the question he is not asking r, he is asking the value of diameter. So diameter is equals to double the radius. So diameter is equals to 2 into radius is 9 by 2. 2 cancel. D is equals to 9, that is diameter is equals to 9, and we don't have any units here, just keep it 9 units, finish. Next question is, find curved surface area of a cone if radius is given as 7 centimeter and L slant height is given as 15 centimeter. Just be careful with this cone figure especially. This perpendicular line comes under height of the figure, that is h, and here we have a slant line, right? That is nothing but hypotenuse. That hypotenuse is nothing but the slant height. Okay, so in this question is asking us to find out the CSA of a cone. What is the formula for curved surface area of a cone? It is pi RL. That is equals to pi value we know 22/7 into radius is 7 into slant height is 15. So 7 will get cancelled, then we remains with 22 times 15. 22 into 15, that is equals to 330, and we are finding curved surface area, so centimeter square. Next question is find total surface area of a cone if radius is given as 3 cm and height is given as 4 cm. First of all, what is the formula for total surface area of a cone? That is pi r into L plus r. Here pi value we know 22/7 into radius is given as 3 into L value we don't know, because as I said previously, in the cone this perpendicular line is called as the height of the cone, and the sleeping line is nothing but the slant height of the cone. So to find out the curved surface area, we need to know the slant height. But in the question slant height is not given, right? Then how you will find out the slant height? By using the Pythagoras theorem. Radius is 3, height is 4, right? So radius, this one is given as 3 cm and height, this one is given as 4 cm. So now let us find out the L value. What Pythagoras theorem says? Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16 is equals to 25. So L value will be, which number square is 25? It is 5. So 5 centimeters. Slant height we got it as 5 centimeter. Then what is asking in the question to find out? Total surface area. So total surface area of a cone is pi r into L plus r. That is equals to pi value 22/7 into radius is 3 into slant height is 5 plus radius is 3. And here cancellation is not possible. So 22/7 into 3 into 5 plus 3 is 8. So this 3 I am writing it as 3/1 and 8 I am writing it as 8/1. So let us multiply the numerators first. 22 times 3 times 8. It is 528 by, in the denominator we have only 7, so 7 was a 7 centimeter square. Next question is, a cone, hemisphere, cylinder has equal radius and same height. Then find the ratio of their volumes. So which figures are there? Cone, hemisphere and cylinder. Let us draw those. Cone, hemisphere and a cylinder. Okay, cone, hemisphere and cylinder. He said that clearly they all are having equal radius and same height. So for the cone, if I am taking the radius as r, for hemisphere also radius will be r only, and for cylinder also radius will be r only. Then what about the height? Is there any connection or relation between all these three figures' heights? Yes, obviously. Always whenever we will be having more than one figure, whenever he's asking to find out the ratio of curved surface areas or total surface areas or volumes, always take the basic figure as a sphere or hemisphere which is given in the question itself. In this case, he gave it as hemisphere, right? So that hemisphere only will tell us height of the figure. Hemisphere is nothing but half of the sphere, right? So half of the sphere means from here to here it will be again radius only. So height of the hemisphere is nothing but radius. Then height of the cone is also radius. Height of the cylinder is also radius. Now let us find out the ratios. What is the formula for cone ratio? 1/3 pi r square h is to hemisphere volume 2/3 pi r cube is to cylinder pi r square h. 1 by 3 as it is, pi as it is, r square as it is. What is h value? It is radius again. So r is to 2 by 3 as it is, pi as it is, r cube as it is, pi as it is, r square as it is, height is radius again. So that will be 1 by 3 pi r square into r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube is to pi r square into r cube. Here r cube cancel, pi cancel. Then we remains with 1 by 3 is to 2 by 3 is to. Here after the ratio sigma nothing is remained, so it means always 1 will be there. Now to remove the denominator 3, we will multiply every term with 3. 1 by 3 into 3 is to 2 by 3 into 3 is to 1 into 3. So here 3 cancel, 3 cancel. Then the ratio will be 1 is to 2 is to 3. Coming to the next question. If total surface area of a hemisphere is 462 centimeter square, then find its volume. What is the formula for TSA of a hemisphere? Total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So that total surface area is given as 462. So under TSA, write 462. That is equals to 3 pi r square as it is. 462 equals to 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius is not given. So write r square as it is. Now take 1 by 1 to the left side. 3 I will take left side. 22 by 7 also I will take left side. So we will get 462 into 3 will become reciprocal 1 by 3. 22 by 7 also will become reciprocal 7 by 22 is equals to r square. 11 2s are 11 42s are 3 1s are 3 14s are 2 1s are 2 7s are. So it is r cube is equals to 49. Oh, sorry. Here r square, right? Yeah. So r square is 49. It means which number square is 49? So it is 7. So r is equals to 7 centimeters. Radius of the hemisphere is 7 centimeter. Next, he is asking to find out volume also, right? So what is the formula for volume of hemisphere? So volume of the hemisphere is equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is equals to 2 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into r cube, that is 7 cube, nothing but 7 into 7 into 7 equals to 7. 7 cancel, remains with 2 into 22 into 7 into 7 by 3. 2 into 22, that is 44 times 7 7s are 49 divided by 3 equals to 2156 divided by 3, and we are finding volume, so it will be centimeter cube. Next, a toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. So we have one hemisphere, upon that hemisphere one cone. Next, of the same diameter, and diameter is given as 6 centimeter. So from here to here it will be radius, right? Then diameter is 6 means radius will be 3 centimeter. Next, this height is given as 4 centimeter. Now for the cone, radius and height both are given, but slant height is not given, that is L value. So let us find out first. So what is the formula? L square is equals to r square plus h square. L is nothing but slant height, r is radius, height is height only. Sorry, h is height only. L square we don't know. Radius is 3, so 3 square. Height is 4, 4 square equals to 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. 16 plus 9 25. L square is 25. Then what will be L value? It is 5 centimeters. So the slant height we got it as 5 centimeters. Okay, now here down we have hemisphere and up a cone. So what he is asking to find out exactly surface area, and in this case he did not mention whether we need to find out the curved surface area or total surface area. Now if you observe this clearly, here cone and hemisphere both are pasted together, right? So for this cone we couldn't able to see this bottom part because it is sticked to the hemisphere, and hemisphere top also we couldn't able to see because that is the same part of cone. So cone bottom we couldn't able to see, so that is the reason we will find out curved surface area of a cone. And top of the hemisphere we couldn't able to see, so that is the reason we will find out the curved surface area of the hemisphere. So it will be CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. What is the formula for CSA of a cone? Pi RL plus CSA of a hemisphere 2 pi r square. Pi value we'll take it as 22/7 into radius we got as 3 into L is 5 plus 2 into pi value 22/7 into radius is 3. Square is there, so 3 into 3. First let us simplify this. 3 I am writing as 3/1, 5 I am writing as 5/1. So let us do multiplication. 22 times 5, 110, 110 times 3, 330 by 7 plus here 2/1, 3/1, 3/1. Let us multiply all those numerators. 2 times 22, 44 times 3, 132 times 3, 396. 396 divided by 7 is equals to, here denominator is 7, here also denominator is 7. So write the denominator 7 one time. Add the numerators. 330 plus 396, 726 divided by 7, and we are finding the area. Units are centimeters, so this will become centimeter square. Next question is, find the volume of the largest cone that can be cut out of a cube whose edge is 7 centimeter. So to understand it clearly, I am not going with a 3D figure, just 2D figure we are doing. This is a cube, okay. So edge of the cube is given as 7 centimeters. It means this side edge is 7 centimeters, so this also 7 centimeter only, because for cube all the faces are same and all the edges are equal in length. Next, find the volume of the largest cone that can be cut out from the cube. So inside of a cube we are drawing one cone, this one, that's it. So what will be the volume of this cone? What is the formula for volume of a cone? Volume of a cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h, that is equals to 1/3 times pi value 22/7 times, and what about the radius and height of the cone? Here this is cylinder edge, sorry, cube edge, right? So the same will be height of the cone. This total is diameter of the cone or else edge of the cube, right? So this half will become the radius, that is 7/2. So radius is 7, right? So radius half will be 7/2, 2 times into 7/2 into height is 7. Here 7 will get cancelled, so we remains with 1/3 into 22 into 1/2 into 7/2 into 7. This 22 I am writing it as 22/1. Now let us multiply all the numerators first. 1 into 22 into 1 into 7 into 7. Oh sorry, here also by 1 I'll keep. So that will be equals to 78 divided by, multiplying all the denominators, 3 into 1 into 2 into 2. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 on the 12, 12. So 1078 divided by 12, we are finding volume, so that will be centimeter cube. Approximately 90 centimeter cube it is.